Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. Right now I'm standing on the swim platform. Got a reboarding ladder back here, as well as our optional 200 Mercury. Your ski pylon right there, and a nice sun pad. Now walking through the transom, we'll get in the cockpit here. You see that you have a lot of seating. So you can have quite a few family and friends on this boat. As well as under this, you have an insulated cooler, as well as a removable cooler that goes under the starboard bench seat right here. Your helm seat spins, as well as has a thigh rise bolster. And your port seat has the same thigh rise bolster as well, with a seat behind it, some storage underneath. Now looking at the helm, we got our instruments, tilt steering wheel, and fusion radio. And on the port side, we have a locking glove box. Nice for when you're up getting dinner or something. Got to keep your wallet and stuff out of the way. As well as some storage underneath. Now walking through our windshield here up to the bow. See there's seating for a couple more people up here, as well as grab handles for safety. Under these seats too, there's also storage. Under the floor too as well, there's a large storage compartment. As well as we have our bimini top. Again, this was Lars Pearson with the MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you want to know any information on this boat or any other boat we may have here, give us a ring at 609-494-2102. Thank you.